In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. We'll navigate through this process step by step to ensure everything is set up perfectly for your accounting needs. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you like using. Once you've done that, head over to the search bar and type in Zoho. You'll want to look for the official website in the search results. You can usually spot it as zoho.com or something similar. Go ahead and click this link to proceed. Next, you'll need to either log in to your existing Zoho account or create a new one if you haven't already. Zoho offers a smooth sign-up process, and once you've done this, it's time to move on to Zoho Books. For those unfamiliar, Zoho Books is the accounting arm of the Zoho suite, where you can manage your finances with ease. Navigate over to the dashboard to get started. On the left side of your Zoho Books dashboard, you'll see a menu which includes various modules. Here, look for the Accountant module. This section contains all the tools you'll need to manage your accounts and ledgers. Go ahead and click Accountant. Now that you're in the right place, look for an option called Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are listed and organized for easy management. Once you've clicked Chart of Accounts, you'll notice a button on the top right corner that says Plus New Account. This button is your gateway to creating a new ledger in Zoho Books, so go ahead and click it. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll input all the details needed for your new account. Start by selecting the account type from a drop-down menu. The choices available here include income, expense, asset, liability, equity, among others. The type you choose will determine how the account appears in your financial reports. So, take a moment to consider which is most appropriate for your needs. Following that, you'll need to enter an account name. This might be something like sales revenue if it's for income, or office expenses if you're tracking costs. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive, as this will make it easier to organize and retrieve information later on. Next is the account code. While this is optional, it's recommended to provide a unique code for easy identification. This becomes especially useful when managing a large number of accounts. Lastly, there's an option to add a description. While not mandatory, this can be helpful in providing additional context for what the account is used for. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, go ahead and click the Save button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a ledger in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your accounts are organized and easy to manage. Thank you for tuning in, and happy accounting.